ARGO Superior Vertical Turret Milling Machine has models 2S, 2VS, 3H, 3VH, 4S, 4VS, 5H, 5VH, 5HL, and 5VHL. The major castings, such as base, table, saddle, are manufactured from high-quality Mihanite cast iron, and the unique design of rib-type column boosts anti-vibration ability to offer good rigidity and stability. Interior and sufficient coolant reservoir can save floor space. Precision ground X and Y axes lead screws are coupled with a double nut and backlash adjusting device, which can eliminate backlash easily to maintain accuracy longer. The two sides of the saddle are coated with scraped Tersite B for effortless and smooth traverse. Power feed is available to increase cutting efficiency. Spindle taper has R8, NT30, NT40, which are mounted with Class P4 heavy-duty taper ball bearings, and those bearings are in strict measurement and preloaded to assure good cutting accuracy at different speeds. Chrome-plated quill matches with fine housing to get smooth movement and to withstand vibration in cutting. Turret head also has step speed head and variable speed head equipped with efficient brake system. Turret head is mounted on extended ram directly to assure better rigidity, and such ram can swivel 360 degrees. Pneumatic power draw bar system can clamp and unclamp tools easily to save tool changing time. Z-axis drive motor equipped with small control box can move knee up and down easily. Each extended ram, table, and knee has two dual locks to eliminate side vibration force while cutting to achieve better accuracy. Manual lubrication system can manually lubricate 3 axes, guide ways to get smooth movement. Automatic lubrication system can supplement lubricant automatically at fixed time. In consideration of safety and better appearance, there are different electrical box options. In order to satisfy different customers' requirements, there are many optional functions like coolant system, chip tray, halogen light, power feed, linear scale, and digital readout. To assure stable quality and cutting accuracy, every machine is precisely measured by table horizontal cross parallelism, straightness of quill movement and table surface, noise of quill rotation, spindle speeds, and straightness of table surface and knee movement, round out of spindle nose taper hole, and other inspections.